what we have in this exercise is something a bit different. We don't have to create any new algorithm. So this is already in place, but unfortunately it doesn't work. So we want to check how good the average temperature of a region is. So one of our colleagues already created the algorithm, but he came back to us saying, hey, can you help me because this doesn't work as expected. It throws an error. So generally speaking, the best way to debug these problems is adding a breakpoint. So let's see what the problem is. So first of all, temperatures, the variable is correct, right? We receive a list of pretty nice temperatures. So, but then if we check step by step, you can press F10 in your keyboard or the step over button in DevTools, then you will realize that rounded temperatures is undefined. That's smelly, right? I don't know what rounded temperatures should contain, but definitely undefined doesn't look great. So why it's undefined? Because the get rounded temperatures, let's pay attention. We have a function that is doing some tricks, but ignoring the details of the function, we can hopefully easily see that the function is not returning anything, right? Let's add the return statement on the left hand side. Let's try again. So now, round the temperatures, that looks much better. You see, now we are rounding the temperature values. And if we continue with the execution, what's the value of average temperature? That should be a number, right? Again, undefined. Why average temperature is undefined? Well, because probably get average temperature is returning nothing. Exactly. You see, it's the same thing. Every time you create a function, unless you have a very good reason, you should return something at the end, right? A function is like a box where you call it with some arguments and then it will return something back. Let's try again. So rounded temperatures now is correct. Let's see if now average temperature is correct. That looks much better, right? So now we get the exact average temperature for the region. And now let's see if that function is able to return a message. Still failing, it still returns undefined, but now the reason is that the main function check average temperature returns nothing, right? So again, remember to add a return statement at the bottom. So now, if we execute it until the end, still returns nothing, so that's not correct yet. Why this is not correct? Well, the rounded temperatures is correct, average temperature is correct, the function is returning something. However, let's pay attention to evaluate how good temperature is. So whatever is happening here, again, we don't have any return statement. So this is a single nested if-else condition using ternary operator. So we can just add a return statement on the left. And then if we try again, then you see that now it tells us how good the temperature is. So hopefully if we change it, I guess it will give us a different message. Here we go. And if we change it, if we change the temperatures, it should be something like terrible. Here we go.